You should always have a clear goal. Why do you want to learn that language? What was the reason behind it? And if the reason is strong enough, you will master the language. Whenever we start learning a foreign language, we want to speak as fluently as the native people. We want the language to come out naturally. And to be honest, it is not that easy. So let me share few things with you that made my life very easy. First thing that I want to say is that we are not surrounded by that language. So we have to create a bubble where we are watching content in that language. We are listening to music in that language. Personally, I did not like reading, but I was following few Spanish newspapers, El País, El Mundo on Facebook, and I was reading few interesting articles. Surround yourself with that language. Learning is not only about what you do in the class, but it is more about what you do outside the class. Watching content or listening to music in that language would make it fun and would not feel like a new challenge that you have taken up in life. Every language has four aspects, and in my opinion, two of them are very important: speaking and understanding. And if you want to master any language, you have to be good at it. There can be multiple reasons to learn that language. Maybe you're passionate about that language, maybe you're moving to that country, it could be job or business. But at the end of the day, what matters is how well you can speak in that language and how well you can understand it. And to tackle that, you can use applications like Clubhouse. Clubhouse is a very popular app these days, and what you can do is go to certain rooms where they practice the language with the native people, and you can do two things. Either you can sit in the audience, listen to other people, or you can join the speaker panel and talk to the native people. And I can guarantee you one thing: native people love when other people are learning the language. I know it is not easy to just go there on Clubhouse and talk to native people in their language, but treat Clubhouse as your training ground. Make mistakes, learn from those mistakes, and then make sure that you are not making the same mistakes in the future. Language is a skill. If you don't use it or if you don't practice it, you tend to forget it. You become rusty. One thing that I've noticed is people who are learning a language, they don't practice the language outside the class, and people who have already learned the language, they never bother to improve on it. And in my opinion, it is a very big mistake, because as English speakers, we are always learning something new from our friends or something that we have watched online. So why don't we do the same for a foreign language? The learning process should not be limited only to class, but also outside it. Be curious about new words and phrases. Whenever you hear a new word or a new colloquial phrase, always try to search the meaning or ask somebody what it means. Languages are very diverse and they can be spoken in different parts of the world in a different way. For example, Portuguese is spoken in Brazil and in Portugal, and there are many differences in the way they speak. One example would be the vocabulary they use. In Portugal, they use a different word, and in Brazil, they use a different word to describe the same thing. In the end, you should always have a clear goal. Why do you want to learn that language? What was the reason behind it? And if the reason is strong enough, you will master the language. One thing that I want to add here is, if the only objective is to make money or to get a job, then I can guarantee you one thing: you will always be average at that language, because the motive was never to improve but to know enough to get that job. And languages are not mastered by just knowing enough to clear the interview. I hope you liked the video and you can take something away from. So till the next one, adios. So guys, if you're enjoying the videos, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.